So I'm going to tell you a great idea that you can do to, I call it hack your ClearLight sauna. All right, so what's the number one thing that I think you can do to upgrade, hack, or enhance your ClearLight sauna? Well, it's to add one of these. This is what I call the third full spectrum heater. Why is it the third one? Well, if you haven't watched our other video, pause this one, jump over to the one that's about the tour of our ClearLight Sanctuary 2 sauna for 2 people. That's actually in our playlist called Sauna Series. Check that out. You'll find out there's a near infrared heater on both sides of the door. And so what we did is we added this third heater on the front door. Because what this thing's gonna do is it packs 300 watts of energy. And that 300 watts will heat up your sauna a lot more than just having the 2 heaters. So this thing's been awesome. In fact, I called it a record of my own that I set in this sauna. I got it to 175. So I was pretty excited about that, and I owe it to this heater. So this is really simple to install. Basically, it comes as this unit right here. There's a couple screws on the back, which I'll show. You screw into the back side of the sauna through the door, and then it looks like it's floating there. So it's kind of a cool setup. There's a plug-in down here that you run the cord to, and I will tell you, if you set yours up like I did, and I got it all set up. I went to turn it on, it didn't work. If that happens to you, don't freak out. What I found out is there's actually some instructions you have to do with your control panel in your sauna to get it turned on. Every sauna might be different. Ours, you actually had to turn the heat up to a certain level, and then from there I had to hold down the auxiliary button, and then it finally connected. And then like in the last video, you can actually adjust 100%, 50, 75, or whichever level you want to do on your heaters, and it'll just match right with the other 2. So very simple heater to set up. It works really well. Some people might wonder, well, why do you want to add another heater to your sauna? Well, you're watching this video, so you've probably done a lot of research. Maybe you watched the podcast from Joe Rogan and Rhonda Patrick where she talks about heat shock proteins, the heat temperature of the sauna. She goes in a lot of them details from a Finnish study that they did years back, and basically they studied a bunch of men, looked at how many times they used the sauna a week, what the temperature was, how long, and found out that there was a lot of health benefits that came from that. They contributed a lot to the temperature of the saunas that they were in, how hot they were. So when you get a far infrared sauna, they don't get quite as hot as them saunas they were using in the Finnish study. So a lot of folks online have tried to come up with different ways where they could hack their sauna, from putting things on the roof to adding the third heater. And I'll tell you, just this heater by itself is going to be huge. So if you're looking for something to add, definitely look at this, because this has been a big deal for us. I would check out a YouTuber called Troy Delaney. Now, I've watched a few of his videos, but I always like to try to give credit to other YouTubers out there that are coming up with good ideas, putting good information out there, because that's what YouTube's about, right? It's for people to learn. That guy actually talks about the heater that he added as well to his sauna, but he actually goes into detail about how his heart rate increased by using the third heater, what the temperature went up to. So it was actually a pretty big deal for him to add that heater. And so I wanted to share that with you, because I'm going to go through a bunch of different details of this sauna and a bunch of different things that we like about the sauna, how things work. And in this sauna series that we have on YouTube here, you'll be able to see some of them. So keep your eye open for that stuff. So now you might be looking at this heater going, I've got a ClearLight Sanctuary sauna. I would like to add a heater as well. Where do I go to do that? Well, I would recommend Julie Bishop. I'll put her contact information below. I'll also show it on the screen here. She owns the Sauna Life, and she's been top-notch to work with. She'll direct you to the right sauna, direct you to the right accessories you might need. But she's going to help you. She'll walk you through it. She'll give you a consultation. And I will tell you, if you don't own a sauna yet and you want to buy one, be sure to mention Grams on a Road Trip, our YouTube channel. The reason is because she'll throw in a free backrest and an aromatherapy diffuser as well with your sauna. Now, if this video was helpful for you, smash that thumbs up button. We'd really appreciate that. If you're the kind of person that you're looking for more information on saunas, make sure you subscribe to our channel, because like I said earlier, we have a playlist called Sauna Series that we're going to be adding videos to, and it's going to basically be about our sauna and some of the different accessories that came with our sauna. that might be things that you're looking for, or different things that you just don't know how to use, or maybe you're wondering how they work. So definitely subscribe to our channel because we have more stuff coming. And if you also have any comments, or maybe you have a sauna or some tips that you've learned, be sure to leave a comment, because we love reading the comments. And that's what's cool about YouTube is there's so much wealth of information out there that if you're like me, you like to get on YouTube and learn stuff. So definitely leave us some comments. We'd appreciate that. And thank you so much for watching.
Hey guys, this is the end of the video. Make sure that you like and subscribe for more great content that is ready to come. Peace.